Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Slack status and Do Not Disturb settings step by step. These features help you let your teammates know when you're available and minimize interruptions while you're busy. So let's get started. First, open Slack on your desktop or in your web browser and sign in to your workspace. Once you're in Slack, look at the bottom left corner of the screen and click on your profile picture. A menu will appear with several options related to your account. To set a status, click Update Your Status. You'll now see a list of suggested statuses such as in a meeting, commuting, out sick, or working remotely. You can select one of these preset options or click in the status field to type your own custom status. You can also choose an emoji to appear alongside your status. Next, select how long you'd like the status to remain active. You can choose options such as 30 minutes, 1 hour, today, this week, or set a custom expiration time. Once you're finished, click Save. Your status will now appear next to your name, making it visible to everyone in your workspace. Now let's look at Do Not Disturb settings. Click your profile picture again in the bottom left corner. From the menu, hover over Pause Notifications. You'll see several preset options, including 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, until tomorrow, or you can choose Set a Notification Schedule. Select the duration that works best for you. While Do Not Disturb is enabled, Slack will pause notifications and display a Do Not Disturb icon next to your profile. If you want to turn off Do Not Disturb before the scheduled time ends, click your profile picture again and select Resume Notifications. Using statuses and Do Not Disturb together is a great way to communicate your availability and stay focused while working. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Slack status and Do Not Disturb settings. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Slack tutorials and productivity tips. See you in the next video.